Here we have a simple stacked column chart that was put together with native Excel. We can see that each stack doesn't include a total for all the bucketed amounts for the respective year. This would be useful information as it would give the user a precise reading on each year's total. This would be really cumbersome to set up manually, but Macabacus can assist. We can just select the full chart, go up into Charts, then under Stack Totals, we'll see options for either a stacked column chart, which is what we have here, or a stacked bar chart. Let's go with stacked column chart. And Macabacus actually has detected that we don't have any cells here calculating the totals of each year, so it actually offers to insert these totals for us. Let's go ahead and press OK. And wow, Macabacus really quickly just went ahead and calculated these totals down here for each year, and then has also inserted the respective data labels. Let's just do a little bit of formatting, and we can just use our border cycle to do this really quickly. And we will just bold the total down below so it sticks out as a total. And now looking at our chart, we can see that we have labels for basically everything, each bucket and each stack total. So we actually don't need the y-axis here as it's redundant. So we can select it and delete it out. And we have a lot more space for our chart visually. And just addressing the legend here, we can see that an entry was made for the total. However, this is self-evident that that is a total. So we can actually refresh our legend to fix it up because we saw that alpha was missing as well. There we go, it's reappeared. And we can just double-click total here and delete that out. And let's just set our legend size back to a size 10 font. And we can also make our font black. And there we go. One last thing, we can select the entire range of totals here, and why not bold them and make the font black so they stick out even more. So that looks excellent. This would have also worked if we already had total calculations down here, which is common, and Macabacus would have brought in the data labels automatically, whether these totals were even being used in the chart as part of the selected range. Macabacus kind of detects what the situation is, then goes ahead and creates the data labels based on what you have down here in your data. In this case, it actually created the row and did the calculations for us with one click. Pretty incredible. Thanks for watching. Enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content? Then hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you over in the next video.